I won't waste your time. Here are the 5 essential steps to unlock an incredible glow-up as an Indian guy. Straightforward, practical, and tailored just for you. Before we start, if you could consider checking out my one-to-one glow-up coaching linked in the description, that would help me out a lot. Now, let's jump right into it. Building an aesthetic physique. Let's delve into the specifics of achieving that aesthetic physique. Many Indian guys tend to have a leaner build due to a diet centered around rice, fruits, and vegetables. But fear not, the path to an aesthetic physique is well within reach. Start by creating a calorie surplus with protein-rich foods such as meat, chicken, and eggs while structuring a 3 to 6 day split workout routine. Focus your efforts on key muscle groups: lats, lateral delts, and abs. These muscles are essential for crafting that coveted V-taper, a shape admired for its aesthetic appeal, especially among the ladies. Moreover, an interesting advantage for Indian guys with a deeper skin tone is that once these muscles are built, your skin tone accentuates muscle definition. For more information on how to build an aesthetic physique, check out this video here. Skincare. Let's talk about skincare. The approach doesn't have to be complex, especially for Indian guys looking for a straightforward routine. Stick to the basics, cleanse your face regularly to eliminate dirt and impurities. Follow up with a good moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated and smooth. And remember, sunscreen is your shield against harmful UV rays, so don't skip it. Make sure to avoid sunscreens with white cast, as the formulas may contain ingredients like zinc oxide that can cause an ashy appearance. For added radiance, incorporate vitamin A-rich foods such as carrots, spinach, and kale into your meals. These foods brim with antioxidants and nutrients, benefiting your skin and promoting a healthier, vibrant appearance. Remember, skincare isn't just external, it's also about your intake. Stay hydrated, maintain a balanced diet, and prioritize ample sleep. These simple habits significantly impact your skin's overall health. Grooming. Grooming plays a significant role in how you present yourself. Here's the scoop: when it comes to facial hair, it's a game changer. Now, if a beard isn't your vibe, consider this. A clean shave might be your best bet. Keeping facial hair in check is essential, as an unkempt appearance can sometimes take away from your overall attractiveness. It's often said that Indian guys rock the beard look, and it's true, but here's the catch. Maintaining that beard is crucial. A well-kept beard can accentuate your features and add a touch of sophistication to your look. Hair and hygiene. Let's talk about hair and hygiene. It's these little details that can make a big difference in your overall appearance. First up, hair. Here's the good news. Indian guys have a versatile canvas to work with when it comes to hairstyles. Whether it's short, long, textured, or clean cut, most styles complement us beautifully. Experiment, find what suits your face shape and lifestyle the best. Moving on to hygiene. This is the foundation of your everyday routine. Always remember, wearing deodorant is a must. It keeps you feeling fresh throughout the day. Consider adding a nice cologne to your routine. It's a simple touch that can leave a lasting impression. Fashion. Fashion is the ultimate expression of your personality and style. It's the final touch that completes your overall look. Here's the deal. Dressing well is key, no matter the occasion, but it doesn't have to break the bank. The secret? Confidence and a well-put-together outfit. Make sure your clothes are always neat and ironed. It makes a world of difference. If you're searching for your style, seek inspiration. Platforms like Pinterest offer abundant outfit ideas and styling tips. Explore and discover what aligns with your taste. Remember, style doesn't demand expensive purchases. It's about finding pieces that fit you and your vibe. Confidence matched with a thoughtful outfit can make you stand out effortlessly. That's all for today. Before you go, if you could consider checking out my one-to-one glow-up coaching linked in the description, that would help me out a lot. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.